you are planning to work in Internet of Things and you are starting fresh. So you're if you are not sure what are all the different domains that might be part of the Internet of Things, or what are all the sections, what are all the different aspects that form part of the Internet of Things, this particular video is for you. So if you want to gain knowledge in Internet of Things, or in future you want to become an expert, you need to explore different things, especially from the hardware design perspective, because one need to understand, for example, how to interface the sensors, and then also one needs to develop the firmware for the embedded boards, which actually are part of the low level boards, and which receive data from different sensors and communicate to the cloud using the IoT protocols. And then if you are not a embedded engineer, and if you are more of a software engineer, then there are roles for those people as well in the Internet of Things, which actually comprises of data analytics, data visualization, and then the cloud softwares, which involves the cloud computing part. And these are all part of the software development. And a person who is planning to enter without electronics knowledge can explore these aspects in Internet of Things, while these software things are generic to other domains. Especially as we are talking about the Internet of Things here, these are the things which help the engineers without electronics knowledge. And then if you are starting to work on Internet of Things, the first thing that you need to know is about the network. So network could be a point to point to multi-point, or whatever kind of network types that you are aware of. So and then kind of communication that happens in a network, whether it be wired or a wireless, whatever. So all these aspects the engineer should be aware. And the IoT protocols. So if you want to work on IoT, and especially want to work on protocol related things, that means firmware level development on the embedded boards, one need to be aware of the IoT protocols. MQTT is one such protocol which helps the low level hardware to communicate to the cloud. So several aspects. So IoT comprises, like other domains, a bunch of engineers who can be part of different domains working together for a common for achieving a common requirement. So all these domains, there are variety of roles that need to be played. Again, here there is testing, here there is certification, here so lot of things. So if you are starting with the Internet of Things as a beginner, you need to know at least all of these during the initial days, but you can gain expertise on a specific topic and move forward. So that is why electronics engineers are more interested in Internet of Things these days, as this has been a buzzword for a long time now and continue to be so. And also the opportunities are also on the same extent.